Here is one thing you can do, and this one thing will change the tide of your life forever. If you do this one thing and you do it consistently, your life will transform, and how you feel about yourself and how your life unfolds and how rapidly you get back on the wagon and achieve your actual goals, okay? And that one transformative thing is this. It's how you speak to yourself when you realize that you're off track. Because what happens is when we get off track, we do something we shouldn't have done. We make a mistake, we forget our goals, we get distracted, we do something which we deem to be not aligned to our best year yet. Most people will beat themselves up, and they will have a story they tell themselves. Again, I'm useless, I'm not good enough, there's no point, this year's just like all the other years, this is hopeless, I might as well just forget about it, let me go and eat another whole chocolate cake and forget about my goals and just do whatever, right? So there in that moment, you have a choice to make. Okay, it's like you're at a fork in the road. You're going to be a victim, or you're going to be a victor. You're going to beat yourself up, or you're going to lift yourself up. If you in the past have had a habit of always going down the negative path, your life becomes a result of the choices that you make, and you will end up never having your best year yet. If instead, in that moment, that pivotal moment, you rapidly and quickly have a different conversation with yourself where you say, it's okay, I'm human. It's okay, I make a different choice right now. It's okay, I'm pulling myself back up. It's okay, it's a new day. It's okay, I forgive myself, and the time to start again is right now. No time is lost, nothing has been lost. I've just learned a little bit more about myself. I forgive myself, it's time to get back on the wagon. I'm doing it right now. This is my best year yet because I choose it and I say it to be so. And if you do that, you're going to go on a positive trajectory, and this will be your best year yet. I'll guarantee you, if you, every time you fell over this year, talked to yourself in a loving way and empowered yourself, your whole experience of yourself and your experience of your life will be different. And here is practically how that plays out. The quicker you get back on track, the quicker you achieve your goals. You're not wasting precious time and energy going down this negative hole. Where attention goes, energy flows. Where energy flows, something grows. If you go off on this negative tangent, you are broadcasting to life that you don't believe in yourself and that there's no point. You are vibrating at that energy. You are attracting things that vibrate at that same level of negative energy. It's just a whole lose-lose situation. Whereas if you quickly get back on the wagon and you uplift yourself and you talk lovingly to yourself, which is all it is, being victorious is just talking lovingly to yourself when you fall over, then even though I've fallen over, I'm awesome. Even though I've fallen over, I'm starting again right now. Even though I am feeling a little bit upset about having forgotten, I'm getting right back on it right now. No time is lost. This is my best year yet. If you do that, that's one simple thing. You are focusing on what you want. You are positively vibrating with the energy of it. You are attracting what you need to support that. You are growing something in a direction that works for you.